Assalamualaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to share with a vital topic the hair growth cycle. Knowing how the cycle works is essential to understanding how your hair grows and how to promote healthy hair. Let me explain. Hair cycle, also known as the hair growth cycle, is the process by which hair grows, rests and replaces itself. It's a continuous cycle. This consists of three main phases. First phase name is anagen phase, is also called growth phase, lasts around 2 to 6 years depending on individual factors. Hair grows rapidly about 1 centimeter per inch every 28 days. During this phase, hair grows longer and stronger. Second phase name is catagen phase, is also called transition phase, lasts around 2 to 3 weeks. Hair growth slows down and prepares for this resting phase. A small amount of hair may be released for the follicle during this phase. Third phase is telogen phase. It's also called resting phase. 3-4 months, hair is released for the follicle, resulting in this naturally shedding. About 10 to 50% of hair are in this phase at any given time. After this telogen phase, the hair cycle starts again with the anagen phase and a new hair grows from the same follicle. I hope you better understand. Today my topic is hair cycle. Thank you so much.